Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make this chicken. It's called, it's either called a toothpick chicken or hedgehog. There are many ways to make this, but they're very complicated to make, and it wastes a lot of ingredients. Like you need about 20 or 24 eggs to mix, and you dip the chicken in there first and then you throw away the eggs. So I mean, that's not right. Islamically it's wrong as well. So I'm gonna do it the way I like it. So here I've got the toothpicks. I've got 500. I've got the breadcrumbs, and I've got the spices and yogurt, and there are some other spices that I'm gonna be adding, and I'll do a list of that. So we start with the toothpicks. They need to go halfway so the spices can penetrate. Okay, so that's what we did. We got about 250 to 300 toothpicks. So that's this stage. The next stage, okay, I'm gonna add some yogurt. So that's this much. So I've got madras curry, salt, coriander, and a regular curry powder. So here I've got black pepper, cooking oil, lemon juice, okay, so a little bit of vinegar, the idea is to make it not very thick, so because we can't rub it, so we're gonna pour it over, and at this stage it's thick, so we're gonna add either yogurt or the lemon juice. Okay, so that's done. Okay, so we start pouring the sauce on. Give it a good shake. Okay, so that's all done. I put the marination thoroughly. I'm gonna marinate it for about a day. So this time tomorrow we'll start cooking it, or go to the next process. It's been 24 hours, and now the next process is steaming this in the pressure cooker. You don't have to use a pressure cooker, but it's faster, so I'm going to use this. So basically what I'm going to do is add some water. Into the water, add some bay leaves, a clove of garlic cut in half vertically. No, not vertically, horizontally. So that's a clove of garlic, bay leaves, black pepper cones, and lemon juice. And the pressure time be around 5 minutes. Then we'll move on to the next process. So let's start putting the chicken into the pressure cooker. Okay, so that's the chicken in there. I've got the water and all the spices into the water. That looks like a whole hedgehog in the pressure cooker. So that's on the gas. We're gonna, once it starts the whistle, we'll count 5 minutes. Okay, so you start taking the toothpicks out. Okay, here, so as you can see, I've took out all the toothpicks. There's one there, except this one. I'll take that on later. So here, all the toothpicks been taken out. Here, I would like to say something. You know, if you intend to eat it as it is now, you know, with the gravy on it or some sort of sauce on it, it's fine to get, you know, to serve it as it is now. There's nothing else you need to do with it at this stage. That's if you don't want to go further. So here, you know, it's fine to eat it as it is now with the sauce or whatever you want to eat it with. Now what we're going to do now is egg coat it, put breadcrumbs on it and fry it. So here is the chicken and I've got the egg there. So I'm gonna coat the chicken with the egg and then the breadcrumbs. Chicken. Bismillah. That's nearly cooked. Nicely cooked, crispy. So that's the hedgehog or the toothpick chicken, ready to serve. Alhamdulillah, come out really good. Looks really nice.